Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investing. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. While there are concerns about a full-out trade war from President Trump's proposed tariffs, the U.S. economy remains fundamentally solid. The Fed left interest rates unchanged at about 4.5%, but it's still expected to cut interest rate twice in 2025. That would bring interest rates down to around 4%. This environment should continue to be positive for business development companies, or what we like to call alternative banks at income investors. BDCs are an economic lifeline for America's small and medium-sized businesses, companies that are too small for traditional financial institutions to get involved with. BDCs allow ordinary investors like you and me to invest in a broad range of American businesses. And the best part, you can invest like a private equity firm without needing to hand over $1 million for privilege of investing in America. You can take a similar position in an alternative bank like Blu Owl Capital Corp. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol OBDC for just $15 per share. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Blu Owl Capital Corp is a specialty finance and BDC that provides direct lending to U.S. middle market companies. It invests in companies with market leadership positions and highly recurring and often contractual cash flows. Its current $13.2 billion portfolio and $136 billion of assets under management includes 236 companies diversified across 30 industries. Just a few of those industries are internet software and services, insurance, food and beverage, and healthcare providers and services. Now, its portfolio mix is made up of senior secured loans at 83% of asset mix, I think it is, of which 78% are first lien investments. Now, the vast majority of its debt financing, 96%, is actually floating rate.
I see that as fourth quarter 2024 results capped off another strong year.
Yeah, now as an alternative bank, Blu Owl is good at making money, as it should be. Commenting on the fourth quarter results, management said Blu Owl delivered a 12.4% annualized return on equity, supported by continued strong portfolio performance and robust origination activity. Now, looking ahead, the company said it was entering an at-the-market or ATM program under which it may issue up to $750 million of its common stock.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. It announced a fourth quarter dividend of 37 cents per share and a supplemental dividend of 5 cents per share.
Yeah, thanks to a federal loophole, BDCs have to legally distribute at least 90% for their taxable income to shareholders in the form of a dividend. Now, this can result in some of the most generous payouts and the highest dividend yields on Wall Street. Now, in the fourth quarter, it paid a quarterly dividend of, as you noted, 37 cents per share. It also announced a supplemental dividend of 5 cents per share for a quarterly payout of 42 cents per share. This works out to an annual payout of $1.69 per share for a current forward dividend yield of 11.28%.
OBDC stock recently hit a record high.
Yeah, there's nothing better than ultra-high dividend yielding payout stock than one that's also trading at record levels. And that's what you get with OBDC stock. February 21st, OBDC stock hit a record intraday high of $15.68 per share. Like the broader market, it faced volatility in the back half of February, but has largely recovered from the sell-off. And it continues to outperform the broader markets too. As of this recording, OBDC stock is up around 8% over the last 6 months and 10% on an annual basis at around $15.22 per share. Now, conservative Wall Street expects OBDC shares to hit fresh highs, all things being equal, over the coming quarters, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target range of $16 per share to $17 per share. John,
thank you so much for your insights. Blu Owl Capital Corp is a great BDC with a diversified portfolio made up primarily of senior secured loans, of which vast majority of its debt financing is floating rate. The company's portfolio continues to demonstrate resilience and stable credit quality, and management expects to build on this momentum in 2025. While interest rates are expected to come down slowly in 2025 and 2026, they are expected to remain higher than they were before the 2020 health crisis. All of this should help juice its share price and allow it to provide a growing dividend and special dividends to its shareholders. And that's great news for common shareholders and the 456 institutions that hold a 32.4% stake in all of the outstanding shares. The three of the biggest holders are State of New Jersey Common Pension Fund E, Bank of America Corporation, and Morgan Stanley. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.